Hi, just a few comments on this very important assignment this week, the revision of essay number 1, your character analysis. I know you've written it, I know you've turned it in, I know you're tired of it by now, but revision is one of the most important skills in learning to write really well and confidently. Revising a paper is where an average paper can turn into a good one. A good one can turn into an excellent one. Not too many A papers are first drafts. And if they are, sometimes it's just by luck. So I am asking you to revise the work you did last week and turn it in on Sunday. I'm going to try really hard to grade your papers as fast as I can. If you feel like you don't have enough time, please let me know and we can work on it, because I want you to have plenty of time to revise. I want you to take it seriously. I'm using revision very literally as a revisioning, as to put your vision on your paper again, to review it, to look at it again, to see it again. I would suggest that you start with my comments, if you have them by the time you start your work, and realize, though, that I've probably missed something. I miss things in my own work, and I might not miss it the next time around. So look very, very carefully. Start with my comments, and realize, too, that if I've marked something once, you've probably done it again, and I just haven't marked it again. I'm kind of lazy in that way. So if you've misspelled something or made a comma mistake, you've probably made it again. So check. Then I would think about outlining your paper, seeing about your organization. Go through it sentence by sentence. Make sure that every sentence supports your thesis. Make sure you do have a thesis and that it's clear, and that nothing in your paper is there unless it does support that thesis. Consider the Writing Center, the Writing Tutors, under my grammar resources. Contact me. All sorts of ways you can get help. Reach out for friends. Anything, but I want you to take this seriously, no matter what grade you earned on your original one. All for now.